you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the December manifestation box to show you by Gogh Jewelry Design. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, the December 2025 manifestation box has arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys know, I do this box here in collaboration every other month with Rena over at Boxes and Deals. I will have her video and her channel listed down below in the description box, so you can pop on over and see what she gets in the Mother Earth Wrap Club. We do this in collaboration together so you can see both variations and you can decide which one resonates with you if you're wanting to do it for yourself or a gift, that kind of thing. So here you'll see the manifestation box, and then again, you can pop on over to Rena's channel and see what's inside of the Mother Earth Wrap Club. I absolutely love the wrap bracelets. They're always so dainty. Normally they're sparkly. They're just so beautiful. And I always forget to say, they can be used as a necklace, or like Rena does, she'll even make hers like a choker. Just like the bracelet will go into a choker and look super cute on her. So you can always use them for other things other than the wrap bracelet if you would like. So let's go ahead and dive into this month's box. I'm so excited to see what crystals we are going to have in here. So for the manifestation box, every single month it will come in this box and it says ready to manifest your dreams. Yes, manifest the life you want to live. You open it up, you always have a handwritten letter on the top from the owner. Attention to detail is absolutely spot on. And then everything is wrapped in tissue paper with a sticker. When we remove that, that is the inside of the presentation. With this box, you always have a necklace, you have a bracelet, a healing crystal, you have what we're working with for the month, you have your astrology, so you tell them what sign you are, and then there's 2 meditation cards. So all of that is included in this box, which we will get into. I do want to first mention the owner actually did write her own book. I did tell you guys this, and I listed the book in my description box if you guys wanted to check it out, but she actually sent me her actual book. So now I get to sit down and read it as well. I know you can get it on a digital copy as well if you wanted to do that instead of like a paperback. So I will list this still in the description box if you like to check it out. But yes, the owner, congratulations. She wrote her own book. It is published, it is ready, it is for sale, and it is released. So if you would like to check it out, go ahead and follow the link down below and you can take a look at her book. I love the colors and everything on it. It's so vibrant I love the teal and the blue. Just really pretty. I cannot wait to sit down and start reading this. Oh, is it? It's actually signed. I have a signed copy, you guys. And there's like a little bookmark in here as well. So dive into your dreams. I'm going to use that as the bookmarker. But I have my own signed copy, you guys. That is absolutely amazing. So again, I cannot wait to sit down and start reading her book. And I'm so excited to hear her story. So let's go ahead and go with the paperwork first for this box. Here's all of that. So this is the meditation cards. Oh, I was gonna say, you normally get 2. There's one more in the box. You always get 2, one of them for you to keep and one for you to gift, or you can keep them both, whatever you would like to do, but you always get 2 of them. When you rest, you catch up to your soul. The hard part for me is having the time to rest. But there are the 2 meditation cards. And so this month it says Scared Stillness, Finding Magic in the Pause. So you can go through and read this whole thing. This is what we're working with for this month. And then the December 2025 astrology forecast. This is my astrology for Scorpio because that is my sign. So this is specifically just for Scorpio. So again, you tell them your zodiac sign and it is custom made for yourself. You also tell them the size of your wrist and the length of the necklace. So again, this is definitely customized just to the recipient. So there's that. So we have this that does go over more on her book. And there she is, that gorgeous woman right there. So yes, again, I cannot wait to read her book. So let's go with what's in here first. This should be the necklace. They're always in their boxes, which you can keep and store your jewelry in or use them for anything else. And ooh, sodalite, is that how you say that? It is a blue, it is a really pretty dark blue. Look at that. It's kind of like the shape of a shield or something. It reminds me of like a knight's shield or something with that shape. And then so you can see it a little bit better. Look at how beautiful. Sodalite encourages rational thoughts, objectively, truth and intuition, along with verbalization of feelings. It brings emotional balance and calms panic attacks. It enhances self-esteem, self-acceptance, and self-trust. It balances the metabolism, boosts the immune system, and overcomes calcium deficiencies. That's a whole lot of stuff in there for this one. But again, that is super, super pretty. I love that dark blue. It is on a silver chain. Most of the time they are all on silver chains. Sometimes there might be a rose gold or a gold tone, but generally speaking, they're mainly silver, which I love because I love silver. I don't like the other tones myself personally. So I love a good silver chain. So this one is not like loose to where it can move. It's like fixed on the actual chain. And it's kind of hard to see on my black shirt, but there you go. Now I'm super, super excited to see the bracelet, and I'm hoping it matches. I love to see when they match together and you can have a complete set versus just having two random different stones. And it looks like that's what we have this time. It is not a match whatsoever. We go from blue straight to red with garnet. Here is the garnet bracelet. It's all like a dark, dark red, almost like a brown color. And there we go. So for garnet, garnet is known as the stone of happiness. It's ruby red in color. It enhances your internal energies to bring forth an intense level of inner joy while increasing your presence. Garnet is also known to raise your healing power during illness. So red and blue. And then for the healing crystal, we go to gray, smoky quartz. And this is what it looks like. Smoky quartz is excellent for elevating moods, overcoming negative emotions, and relieving depression. Smoky quartz relieves stress, fear, jealousy, anger, and other negative emotions by transforming them into positive energies. So there is the healing crystal. We have the smoky quartz. For the bracelet, we have garnet. And for the necklace, we have sodalite. Okay, you guys, so that is all of the pieces for this box. Now I'm really intrigued to know what Rena got in hers, because generally one of them would be the same crystal or at least similar in color. So I'm really curious to know if hers is going to be the blue or the red. So definitely pop on over to her video so you can see what is in the Mother Earth Wrap Club. Again, then you can see which one you like better if you are interested, but definitely pop on over and check hers out. I am so excited to see what she gets. But this is for the December box. Here are the 3 pieces. If you would like a little bit more information about this and the pricing, I will let you know right about now. I have my own code and Rena has her own code. You can use either one. It doesn't do anything for us. It saves you money. So whichever one you would like to use, mine is SheCrafty, and that will save you 20% off. The pricing is exactly the same for both the manifestation box or the Mother Earth. For this one, now you know what's all involved. For the Mother Earth Wrap Club, you get the wrap bracelet, and then you get one free little gift in there. It could be anything and everything under the sun, but you do have one additional gift that's a complete mystery, and the bracelet. But you do not get the necklace, the healing crystal, the astrology, what you're working with. All of that is only in this specific box. So again, whichever one resonates to you, there's 2 different options. If you do month per month, box per box, you can cancel it anytime. It's $39. A 3-month subscription will bring it down to $36. A 6-month subscription will bring it down to $34. And the full 12-month prepaid subscription will bring your box price down to $33 per box. And again, you get all of their amazing jewelry, handmade. I absolutely love her jewelry. And if I know I mention it from time to time, but in case you might have missed it, she makes her jewelry to where they can withstand whatever you're doing. She said you can wear it when you're yogaing, exercising, working, showering. You can wear your jewelry anytime, so it's not like you have to worry about it. I've never had one break, come apart, change, shift, do anything. So at first I was afraid, like taking them off and I was washing my hands and stuff. She's like, no, you can literally wear them for anything. So just so you know, her jewelry is designed to withstand what you're doing on your daily basis. I mean, unless it's really going to get damaged, you might want to remove it depending on what you're doing, but normal day to day, you shouldn't have to. So that is the pricing for this box. Again, I absolutely love how everything is curated. She also donates as well. So shopping with her, you're actually helping others. And I absolutely love that because then we're all helping each other. So definitely, if you want to check them out, they will be listed down below with my code. Check out Rena's video so you can see what's in the other subscription that they have. Definitely come back here though and let me know which one you like better. Did you like what came in this box or did you like the Mother Earth Wrap Club better? Let me know your thoughts. If you want to see other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something comes up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you do. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so that is everything to say and show for this video. Again, don't forget to comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.